Hi, my name is Munira Atira. I would like to talk about water jet machining. Water jet machining is a non-traditional machining process in which high-velocity jet of water is used to remove material from the surface of the workpiece. It can be used to cut softer materials like plastic, rubber, or wood. In order to cut harder materials like metals or granite, aluminum oxide, sand and glass beads, and abrasive materials is mixed in the water. When an abrasive material is used in the water for the machine process, then it is called abrasive water jet machining. The function of abrasive is to enhance the cutting ability of the water jet. For the first one is water reservoir. Start the water required for machining process. Hydraulic pump to circulate the water from the storage tank during machining process. It increases the pressure of water from 5 bar to 11 bar before delivering to intensifier. Hydraulic intensifier used to increase the pressure of water to very high pressure. Receive a 4 bar but can increase up to 3000 to 4000 bar. Accumulator eliminates pressure fluctuation conditions in machine process. Valve. The flow of the water is regulated with the help of a flow regulator. Next, a nozzle is used to convert the pressure energy of water into kinetic energy water jet machining. Next is control valve. It is control the pressure and direction of the water jet.
The water from the reservoir is pumped to the intensifier with the help of a pump. The intensifier increases the pressure of the water from 5 bars to 3000 to 4000 bar. This high-pressure water from the intensifier is moved to the nozzle as well as an accumulator. The accumulator stores the high-pressure water and supplies it at any instant when it is required. It is used to eliminate the fluctuation of the high-pressure requirement of machining hard material. The high-pressure water is then passed to the nozzle where the high-pressure energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. A very high-velocity jet of water, which is about 1000 meters per second, comes out through the nozzle in the form of an arrow beam. Abrasive such as garnet or aluminium oxide is mixed with water within the nozzle. A mixing chamber is there in the nozzle where the abrasives get mixed with the high-pressure water. This high-velocity jet of water when strikes the surface of the workpiece, it removes the material from it. The water jet after machining, it gets collected by the drain and catcher system. Here the debris, metal particles from the water are removed and it is supplied to the reservoir tank. The working will be same for the water jet machining, but in water jet machining, abrasive particles are not mixed with the high-velocity jet. Only pure water jet comes out from the outlet of the nozzle.
Next is application. Water jet machining is used in various industries like mining, automotive, and aerospace for performing cutting, shaping, and weaving operations. The materials which are commonly machined by water jet are rubber, textile, plastics, foam, leather, composites, tile, stone, glass, food, metals or paper, and much more. Water jet machining is mostly used to cut soft and easy to machine materials such as a thin sheet and foil, wood, non-ferrous metal, alloy, textile, honeycomb, plastic, polymer, leather, frozen, and so on. There are advantages for water jet machine. It is capable to producing complex and intricate cuts in materials. Next is the next machining area in this machine process remain clean and dust-free. For the last one, advantages is it has low operating and maintenance costs because it has no moving parts. For the disadvantages, very thick materials cannot be machined by this process, and the initial cost of water jet is very high.